How to download songs from Suno AI. First thing you want to do is, of course, pull up your preferred web browser that you want to use. And for this video, I'm going to be using Google Chrome. Now just head directly to your search bar and simply type in Suno AI. And Suno AI official site should be able to be visible on the very first result. Now just head directly to this website right here and you will be redirected to suno.com's official site. Once you're here, just head directly to make a song and you will be given out to another page. And then here, for you to be able to download your song, you'll have to create one. If you haven't created yet, then you just head directly to the create page and just go ahead and customize the song you want. But if you already created your pre-made song, then this is gonna be what it should look like. Now for you to download this, just head directly to the specific song you want and just go to the three dots, click on that, hover your mouse to download, and choose whether it's gonna be MP3 audio or for video. And that's it. That's how easy and quick you can download songs from Suno AI.